Well, here we go. We're getting this shit show started already. Got 3 of the screws out of the grill here. Eventually this bitch is coming out and then sitting on a stand. Fucking, yeah. It's gonna be a fucker thought he was allowed to brake on me and stop my progress. Well, that's gonna have to do it for today. I can't find my vice grips or my adjustable for my condenser nuts here. I'm not worried about discharging the AC system because it already leaks. Replaced a bunch of stuff. Pretty sure I overcharged it. Blew crap up. Also couldn't find the right seal for the back of that hose. So anyway, I'm not going to take this fender liner off because battery tray, and I want to be able to drive this in and out until I'm absolutely ready to pull this. Got those 2 mounts off at the bottom, fender and liner over here. Wash fluid's dripping down because it's above everything. I don't know. Good progress for, I don't know, 2 hours. Love how simple everything is on this truck. More to come. We're getting this bitch out within the week. Hopefully. Well, there's the front core support for the whole front clip. Got that off. Didn't do anything yesterday because it's too damn cold. This is all I'm going to be getting to tonight. It's too late. Hopefully this weekend we'll be pulling the engine. Well, boys, we did it. It is Friday night, New Year's Eve. Got challenged to get this out before midnight because girlfriend reasons. This was out of the truck at 10:54. It is currently 11:20. Fucking did her. Good old fucking 350. That's a goddamn leaky bitch. But what's cool, looks like the rear main seal's holding up just fine. Fucking all Harbor Freight hand tools. My dad's DeWalt over there. That's handy. Gotta take the flywheel and flex plate off to put her on my $20 engine stand I got from a yard sale, but I'll just let her chill on the floor for the night. Happy fucking New Year's, boys. Alright, so quick, maybe not so quick update on the engine. As you can see, we got the intake off, we got the cylinder heads off. Passenger side head was off Sunday. Just got this off today because took the day off work, was feeling sick yesterday. Puked at work, a whole bunch of fun times. So anyway, made good use of my time today after I got to feeling better to get this done. Obviously, this thing's been leaking a lot, and that's kind of the main reason I wanted to pull it as soon as I got that lovely boy for Christmas. Pretty sure my cylinder head gaskets were where I was losing most of my coolant because I would just passively lose coolant about once every month or 2, sometimes 3. I would check the coolant and I'd be damn near out, if not completely. But yeah, that was going on for 3 or 4 years. And so I'm guessing that's why there's so much crap built up on my pistons. As far as the cylinder walls go, none of them look horrible. Let me turn the flash on real quick. But yeah, none of them look horrible. I'm not seeing any gouges or anything. Some of them even still have some faint hash marks in them from hopefully the machine shop and not just this guy that helped me put this engine in the truck doing some sketchy shit. I don't know. Either way, EGR was also deleted, so that could possibly contribute to it, I think. Combustion chambers are all looking decent as far as I'm concerned. Getting a little bit of build-up. Spark plugs, none of them look horrible. I'm not seeing any chunks missing out of any valves, so that's good. Also, test fit my Holley Street Dominator intake I picked up just randomly like last year. It seems to fit, so that's cool. And then wanted to showcase some redneck plumbing because back in college got this water pump. The neck didn't fit in this area, so we had to go to Ace Hardware and find plumbing adapters that made this work. And also back in college my oil pressure switch went out, so I had to change that. Threads snapped off in there, got those out luckily, and then got some more Ace Hardware plumbing adapters to make all that fit. And yeah, it's been a lot of fun. Also, didn't have the tool to pull my power steering pump pulley off. Power steering pump was leaking like a bitch anyway. Cut her off, hammered it off. Fuck that guy. So just doing a little screwing around, got the timing cover off. Look at my old timing chain here. First of all, yes, nasty. Timing cover, found another thing. Definitely leaking. Don't, I'm not an expert here, but from what I'm reading, timing chain's a little loose. Well, unfortunately, she's not a 4-bolt main, just a 2-bolt, but she does spin over pretty smooth and easily if I can keep my engine stand from spinning on me here. Maybe. It was spinning smoothly. If I can keep the damn socket on the thing too. Yeah, there we go. Spin nice and smooth, so that's good. There wasn't a bunch of shit in the oil pan. Oil pan's nice and clean in the bottom. So she's just leaky. That's about all I got for her. Well, it's done. It's empty. That is a bare block minus some plugs or camshaft bearings. That's it. Now it's time to, I guess, find a machine shop and organize my shit. Let's take a quick look at all of our bearings here. These are our main bearings. Just go ahead and look at the halves. Didn't see anything bad on the crankshaft main bearings, really. Looks about normal as far as I'm concerned, given what this truck was gone through. That one's a little chewed up. What this truck's gone through in the last few years, a few overheats, maybe a few missed oil changes, some 6,000 miles instead of, 3,000, whatever. Nothing too horrible. It survived. It wasn't knocking or anything. Like I said, I need to organize shit. As far as bearings go for the pistons, didn't see anything that was drastic except for here on the back two pistons. And especially piston 8, the bearings are not the right size. And as you can see, has caused quite the mark on those bearings. But yeah, all the other piston bearings, or connecting rod bearings, sorry, fit in perfectly fine. But this one, along with its cap, the bearings are just not correct. So thanks, random guy that, got the V8 put in her, but sketchily and probably for a bag of Doritos. Forgive the smoke. I set some fires. One celebratory, others accidentally. We'll take a quick look at the cam bearings too. Yeah, for the cam bearings, and these are already wiped off. This isn't just oil sitting on them. There's like burnt oil on almost every single one except for the front and a little bit on the back one. On the ones in the middle, a little burnt oil. Not sure if that's because we were leaking from our intake and so crap's getting in here or what, but this is what pretty much all the piston rings look like. It's okay, we're getting new ones. Yeah, crap built up in them, burned off either way. No dents or scratches in anything, so I'm assuming good enough. It was running just fine when it was pulled, but we're putting a big block in the truck. Gotta figure out what I'm doing with this 350. Like I said, machine shop, and then figure out what the fuck I'm building, what the hell I'm putting it in.